A very good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Direct Private Limited. So on pound dollar is a very bearish movement. Market resumed the bearish move, break and close below the low, back into the resistance zone. So traders who are looking for a selling opportunity, for a trend trading opportunity, you still do have that opportunity. Head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the market did a double top, hit down and came back as a retracement. So traders who are looking for shorting opportunity, there is an opportunity. To the 1-hour chart, something similar. On the 4-hour, we have a double top over here, market came down back into the sell zone. Alright, so down to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. There's a bullish sharp pattern completing at 1.2382, looking for buying opportunity, but right now the focus is on shorting. So you can see that I have zoned out various selling zone, and on the 1-hour chart, this is exactly the moment I'm waiting for. A double top, confirmation, a pullback, back into the preferred sell zone. So at 30 minutes time, when the candle close, I will head in for a shorting opportunity should the candle look something like this. Alright, so yep, that's all I have for you today. If you'd like to see the development of this trade, join us this Wednesday on Facebook Live, www.facebook.com/forex.org. Check the description below. And remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.